Okej, the baby. I can't hit the baby.
Du har säkert hört talas om Bosch. Du kanske till och med äger en Bosch-produkt i ditt eget hem. Men Bosch är ju så mycket mer än bara hushållsapparater och skruvdragare. Bosch är lite av ett powerhouse som driver utvecklingen inom AI, sjukvård, smart mobility och mycket mer. Bosch är en av världens största underleverantörer till fordonsindustrin. Tänk på ditt favoritbilmärke. Ja, med största sannolikhet så hittar du Bosch-teknologi inuti den. Och just därför är vi här idag på Bosch Innovation Campus i Budapest. I den här serien så kommer vi tillsammans att få hänga med några av ingenjörerna här på Bosch. Pick their brains och se vad är det egentligen som försiggår och varför gör de här grejerna. Nu kör vi! Nu står jag här med Gyula som jobbar med automatiserad körning. Hello man! Tjenare mannen! Gyula är en teknikentusiast, gamer och senior expert på Bosch. Han arbetar med molntjänster och automation. Han är något av en Swiss Army Knife när det kommer till innovation. So what are we going to do today?
So today we are going to check this remotely controlled vehicle that we are developing here. What you heard about the main concept that we are doing here?
I've heard about RC driving.
Yeah.
I imagine that you sit at like some center and you can like take control over a car and drive it.
So exactly. So as you can see, this is the test track.
Okay. Yes.
That we have, right? And this car is prepared so that it can be remotely driven using 5G, which connects to the PC in the car. And then we have a gateway that basically translates all the signals so that the car also understands.
Okay.
So we have the wheel control, we have gas, brake, and etc. So right now this is a test car.
Yeah.
And you can see we have like additional GPS, better localization. With this setup, we can actually drive the car from up top, collect the data from an office environment, right?
Yeah.
We still need the safety driver for safety reasons. And you can also, in the future, maybe do it from home.
Yeah.
So, you know, with the home office and etc. So imagine that you run actual vehicle tests from your office or from your home.
Yeah, from your bed maybe. I like to work, on a lazy day I like to work in the bed.
I mean, theory, you can do it.
So can I ask you, like, what is your goal with like this type of technology?
So the short term, we want to improve the testing and make sure that we can test more scenarios so that we can make our software more robust, so we can really explore the area of the different scenarios. Yeah. It's not rocket science. I mean, drones are there, people are driving remotely, drones for more than 1,000 kilometers away.
It's for me, it's not too far away from rocket science.
Yeah, could be. Even in some other parts of the world, it's already in production. Like there are taxis driven by people in an office.
Really?
Or if you go to excavators in mines. Yeah. So many times they have these huge offices with like 10 screens, and there is a huge excavator kilometers away in the mining area, and then they control it with joysticks.
I actually seen that,
and because it's dangerous, you know, you don't want because it can explode. And that is
the same type of technology.
Exactly.
Should we do some training so we can speed up the process?
Actually, we prepared you a challenge.
A challenge?
So we built this test track. As you can see, it's fairly simple. It starts with a slalom. Then there is a little kid, which we shouldn't hit. Do a 360, then come next to this car, and then just do a parallel parking. And all this done from the 5th floor up top.
From the 5th floor up top?
You will be driving there.
Wow.
And the car will be going here.
Okay,
can you do it?
You and me, we race.
Exactly.
Okay. Challenge accepted.
Let's go, William.
Let's go. Okej, så nu så har jag blivit utmanad här på ett race. Och det här racet, det kommer alltså att ske med den här bilen. Men vi kommer att köra från 5:e våningen här uppe. Så vi ska igenom den här banan och göra lite olika tasks. Och den av oss som får den bästa tiden vinner.
Vad kul!
Underbart. Wow, it's like an actual racing game rig. Do you like racing games?
Of course.
Yeah, you do.
Definitely. So this is the rig, and this is what you will see.
Oh, right.
And here you can also see your speed. It won't be extreme high speed, so it will be around 5 kilometers per hour.
Good. So good speed for me. Yes.
And then there you can see, so that is the actual geolocation of the car on the map. Yeah. So when you are driving, that's actually also moving. Let's compete.
Yes, okay. So my suggestion is we do a classic rock, scissor, paper. Rock, scissor, paper.
Oh my God, William. Now you start.
I start.
So you will be the first.
Yes. The moment of truth.
William.
Yes.
Ready, set, go! Super fast.
Oh, okay. What an acceleration.
It's like a rocket, right?
Ja. Det är lite svårt att ha perspektiv faktiskt på...
Yes, it's you need to get used to it.
Yes.
Like now you are not in the car, but
Exactly.
it's still the car moving.
Okay, the baby. I can't hit the baby. Ooh. Okay, no baby.
No, the baby is safe. You can see on the... You know it's 10 seconds if you hit something.
Yes, that's not good. Okay, come on. Det luriga skulle jag säga är perspektivet. Man vet inte riktigt. Okay.
And then go next to that car.
And now X.
Nice. Actually, perfect.
Perfect.
Really
Okay,
nice.
yes.
Now I hope you hit some cones so that you get some minus.
Hopefully I did not. Okay, shit, det där var svettigt alltså.
I'm sure.
Okay, Gyula, now it's your turn.
You go down.
Yes.
And now you will sit inside the car.
Okay, so Gyula, you are going to drive and I'm going to sit in the car.
Exactly.
Okej då, nu kör vi. Fan, det här ska bli spännande. Det är också lite läskigt att sitta med när jag vet. Det var ju svårt, så att det här... Jag överlämnar mitt öde i Gyulas händer. Ready, set, go! And Gyula, now I want you to take it really, really slow and careful here. Nu hoppas jag ju verkligen här att han åker på åtminstone en kona, för annars kan det här bli tight för mig.
How is it feeling now?
It's feeling more than it did upstairs for sure. Ja, man inser det att man sitter i en ganska bra position där uppe alltså.
Okay, let's see. So now I do the parking. I did the wrong direction, man.
Yes! Det här kan bli spännande. Han gjorde bort sig. Deep breaths now, Gyula.
I'm pressing it as hard as I can, actually.
But you have to think there are guests in the car here. It's a lot of responsibility.
That's not gonna be...
Oh, okay, now Gyula, you are a bit tight there in the rear.
Unbelievable. But okay, let's calculate the points. Let's see the punishments. And then let's see you downstairs.
Ja, vad ska man säga? Det gick väl så där eller? Jag tycker ändå att jag gjorde det ändå ganska bra, va? Ser lite sorgsen ut när han kommer gående så här. Gyula.
Tjenare, William. What happened?
Vad händer?
So I was focusing so much not to hit the cone that you hit, that at the parking, I think you actually changed the side view mirrors, and that's why I started the wrong direction.
VAR check, please, everybody.
Please, something happened.
Yeah.
I have a question. So how did you feel driving the car?
In general, it felt quite good, better than I expected to drive the car. You have to get used to not being able to rotate your head, right?
Exactly.
But apart from that, it felt quite comfortable.
Okay, so what do you think? Who was the fastest?
I was the fastest.
So I probably lost quite a bit of time with the correction at the parking, so I can accept that. I still feel like that he changed my side view mirrors. That's why I turned the wrong direction.
Okay. It's a lot of rambling.
One of you had 1 hit and one of you had 3 hits.
What?
So that's a 30-second penalty.
3 hits? What?
So
oh my god, okay.
one of you had a time that was 03:13.
Okay.
But with a 30-second time penalty.
Okay. What?
And that was you. William.
Nej.
Careless driver. Careless driver.
They have 3 hits. Okay.
So your final time was 3 minutes and 43 seconds.
Too comfortable. Yeah, it felt quite good. Yeah, no problem.
Gyula, you had 1 hit, so that's a 10-second penalty.
Yeah.
But you were a bit slow. So your ending time was even before the time penalty. William was faster. So your time was 4 minutes and 10 seconds.
Yes!
There you go. Thank you very much, William.
Thank you very much.
You were a worthy opponent.
Yeah, thank you. Very good game. It was closer than I imagined.
Tack så mycket för att ni har kollat. Jag hoppas att ni har lärt er någonting. Det har jag i alla fall gjort. Och jag tänkte lämna er med en liten grej. Nästa gång ni sitter i en bil eller använder er mobil, fundera då lite på vad kan det tänkas finnas för Bosch-teknologi inuti den. Och om ni tyckte det här avsnittet var spännande, då vill jag uppmana er att se de andra 2 avsnitten som finns på Bosch YouTube-kanal eller på hemsidan. Annars ses vi nästa gång. Ha det bra, hej då!